a dream.
Hey guys, welcome to ZaydanTube. My dad got this surprise package for me. I don't know what it is. Let's open it together. Yay! What is it? Ooh, this is cool. Hey guys, this is Spongebob. This is Spongebob Krabby Patty's card. Oh my god, let's open it together. But first, let's look at the box. Look, this is Spongebob. And it's in the Krabby Patty card. It's so funny. Hey, this is a controller. It's a remote controller too. This is so awesome. Wait, I got a perfect story for this. Hey, I have a Spongebob shirt. Now let's open it. Whoa, let's take everything out now. We got the suction hammer. Let's open it. There's 4 batteries for the car. Then there's 2 batteries for the remote control. Now let's look at the car now. Whoa, it's cool. It can drive. Guys, I didn't even know that the back wheels are bigger and the front wheels are smaller. Let's look at the remote control now. This is a controller. It's easy to use. It can go front, left, back, right. There's another button in there. It's a turbo boost. Let's put some battery here and try it out. You know this Spongebob car? I'm gonna crash into this. So you try it? Hey, let's do it! Thanks for having Spongebob AC car. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.